Hello friends. Today we will discuss kidney health, one of the cornerstones of a healthy life. We will explore the important role of our kidneys in our body, the things we need to do for a healthy life, and the points we should pay attention to in daily life. If you are ready, let's get started and step into a healthy future. What does the kidney do? For the kidneys, one of our vitally important organs, we can make the analogy of a cleaning machine located in our body. The kidneys, which ensure that waste products in the blood are filtered and excreted from the body, also regulate blood pressure and increase new red blood cells. The kidneys are not all about cleaning. Strengthening bones is also one of their responsibilities. What tests are performed for kidney health? Regular follow-up by a physician is important to prevent kidney diseases. Apart from the physical examination, the physician will periodically ask you for blood tests, urine tests, and imaging. As a result of the values here, it gives information about what should be done about your kidney health. One of the blood tests ordered for kidney health is serum urea. Urea provides a transparent picture of many kidney-related conditions. In addition, creatinine, sodium, potassium, BUN, and GFR are some of the tests requested. How do we know if the kidneys are not working? Our body is a miraculous system that can instantly communicate every negative situation to us. It reports to us with a signal what is missing or excess, working too much or too little. There are several symptoms that indicate that the kidneys are not working or that there is a problem. Strange urine output, for example, too much urine or conversely too little urine. Foamy, dark, or even bloody urine color. Involuntary swelling of the hands, face, and feet. Feeling extremely cold despite normal weather conditions. Getting out of bed tired. Lack of rest and fatigue. Some itching of the skin, regardless of the dryness of the weather or environmental conditions. Loss of appetite with occasional vomiting and nausea. Inability to focus on a task and lack of concentration. Disturbed sleep patterns and often difficulty falling asleep. Foul-smelling breath and accompanying difficulty breathing, shortness of breath. These and the other situations can be a sign that something is wrong with our kidneys. So, what should we do in this case? The best thing for kidneys. Before we get to the best, let's start with what to do first. No food or drink can work miracles on our bodies. The miracle we are looking for will only happen by eating a balanced diet, not neglecting our health and moving as much as possible. There are certainly foods that are good for the kidney or kidney-friendly foods, but it will be more Eastern to get it from the expert. If you are experiencing the above symptoms and this has started to persist, you should definitely see a doctor and report your complaints. The treatment protocol to be applied by a specialist doctor will be your most important prescription for your recovery. In line with the opinions of physicians, of course, it may be a good choice to include some foods in our lives. There are more than one answer to the question of which foods are good for the kidneys. It is possible to summarize a few of them as follows. Parsley rich in vitamin C, iron, and zinc, rich pumpkin seeds. Red apple, a source of fiber yogurt that impresses with its calcium content. Cauliflower, rich in vitamins K and B. Garlic with effects as powerful as medicine. Digestion-friendly cabbage. How to strengthen the kidney. Nutrition is key for kidney health. In addition, regular blood tests and a doctor's checkup are some of the measures you can take. Let's summarize what to pay attention to for healthy kidneys with a few items. Limit salt consumption. The body also needs salt, so it would not be right to completely eliminate salt from our lives. The only thing to consider at this point is to limit salt intake. It is necessary to get the amount of salt that is sufficient for our body from healthy foods. It is useful to remember that salt is the leading nutrient in the category of kidney enemy foods. No more, no less. drink enough water. Although we are aware of the importance of drinking water, the importance of consuming enough water is much greater. Excessive water consumption causes many harm to the body, so we should neither consume too much nor too little. The undisputed first item in the list of kidney-friendly drinks is always water. By consuming enough water, which varies according to each body type, we take good care of our kidneys. Consuming regular and sufficient water is the most effective answer to the question of how to have healthy kidneys. Part ways with cigarettes. If smoking has reached the point of addiction, this sentence may not be so easy to apply. However, smoking is one of the greatest injustices we can do to the kidneys as well as the whole body. Excessive cigarette consumption not only offends the lungs, but also the kidneys, and can be the occasion for a serious process leading to kidney failure in the later stages. Try not to use unnecessary medication. Of course, none of us take medicines or antibiotics for no reason. There must be a reason. But what we mean here is to avoid unconscious drug consumption. Medications that are not under the supervision of a doctor and that we take according to our own feelings can have negative consequences on the kidneys. Especially, the use of antibiotics can have direct effects on the kidneys. It is important to make sure that every medication we use is in the light of a doctor's opinion. We may know our body the best, but medicine should always be our first basis. Exercise as much as possible. We can invest in ourselves by choosing exercises according to our body and positioning these exercises in the center of our lives. Adopting an active lifestyle is one of the most important elements that make us beautiful, not only on the outside, but also on the inside. Choosing and practicing an exercise that is suitable for our body type, age, and current health status will be one of the most powerful steps we can take in the name of healthy living. Kidney health is one of the cornerstones of our overall health. Our kidneys remove waste from our bodies, regulate blood pressure, and perform a number of vital functions. Therefore, it is extremely important to take care of our kidney health and take precautions. Adopting a healthy lifestyle, undergoing regular health checkups, and eating in accordance with expert recommendations are the key steps to maintaining kidney health. Let's not forget that the small steps we take today can be the key to a healthy life tomorrow. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and want to stay updated for more content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications. Also, remember to like and comment. Until the next video, take care and goodbye.